Now smash it in her face. About. Oh man. Hello everyone. This is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Say hi, Lulu. Lulu. Whatever. Right here I have my Vernon white sapote and a Suebelle white sapote. I'm going to show you what I did this year to have really almost no effect from the frost. It's something that wasn't easy for me to do in terms of not wanting to do it in fear of overall production or growth, but I felt I had to do it. So I'll show you what it was right now. Okay, let's take the example of the Suebelle Sapote. Before it started getting cold, this Suebelle produced a lot of flower clusters everywhere. I would say maybe 20. So I didn't want the flowers to open up and then get pollinated and produce little fruit. And like last year, the fruit got to about a marble size and turned black and fell off because of the frost. So what I did this winter was I removed all of the flower buds. Here's the Vernon Sapote flower clusters now. More abundant, larger, and healthier than the winter clusters were. What I was afraid of was that I wouldn't have any clusters at all. And now they're showing up everywhere. Where's the other one? There's another big one in here. As you can see, they really do look like citrus flowers when they start out. They are related to citrus, so that may be why. You can see another one over here, another one starting over here. And the praying mantis loves this tree. It's full of eggs everywhere, and the eggs are all over this tree and the Vernon. But yes, I think that pruning off the flower clusters before the frost happened allowed these trees to concentrate on prepping themselves for the winter instead of worrying about producing fruit. My worry was if I cut the clusters off 2-3 months ago, that it wouldn't produce flowers in the spring. And obviously, that wasn't the case. Thank goodness. So hopefully it's going to be a great harvest of white sapote for 2019. That one being Suebelle. I've tasted it before from the tree. It tasted like banana custard. And this one I've tasted only one off this tree that made it. And it tasted like a little bitter but very, very, very sweet custard. It had no flavor, but it was very sweet. Sweeter than Suebelle. Alright everyone. Happy gardening. Say bye, Lulu. You and those squirrels. Bye everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.